So, and for sure, that time I was another dog, and Mzee was a big name. Yeah. So luckily, ngase kama udira njai my dream yani adenga can't zero is go grow 1 point up. That's supposed to. Yeah. You go na rushi 1 point plus up and valia. So kaenda kanaiga although atananta sengazi by that grace ODM kanyachukura more than 65% in Kisii etana cover since independence. Later on, no matter what happened was bagatamuna bakolete so swaime ibrukanayaba bakarosia tukarosia coalition government abunona jangoro nga machana na sebuzi you know na kolile na egudo kalabirija ngao umaita ngarema na number 7 ase akia Pentagon akero Pentagon saba na number 7 no arenge 1 2 3 4 and number chipaka between 1 and 10 ejectro reserved nan montako number and in Tago decided to ODM number 7 in Koy. Very result for me. Koikarimo Ambi, Bagankola Congo, and the Boroga, by the coalition government, they are 50%. Like the Bagatana 50%. Gamaka half of the 50, so one and a quarter minister. 25%. A quarter minister. One day, it was going to get 50 minister, 50% minister. But then, Kamago. Ngasabu na seminar for trade lakini senga nje within a area petition kabeko that time mnabe ku petition area I got about 10,000 votes. My number 2 petition Manson had about 5,300 ingatabanga kijukura rairete bara kumbe ganebe kengoli bakabara actually kanyora more than what I got musinga katanga chukura juma they were commerce and they were not credible for agenda by election. Why boss? In actually 11,000 was the same as 4,800 according to mathematics Musinga, and that's why I think judiciary na that okamaramboro bonene bakakole biasara bigong bono team ya nega chanyari baga most of the 4 people fraternity all went home bakanyari baga mos bakambaraga baga ke nanda babato bokubosie bantu baguru bakalanji mijiba badongano jada nakalibu bana basoke to gaita yo by election ya 2010 umanisi nakabu mujumbe ubugirango since that time I'm out here and I'm extremely happy man because God has been gracious to me.
Wano kwa wabu 2010 tochiti kutwara kangana ndio kwa mujumbe
I thought like Divuru Ngara Soga 2013 Ngaranga Gamonde Ngendege Tangane County. Nebono no na tagane ngana nyombane na yo na bago go to nyombane na ngagie aba house. Again, of course, the wars are going to by election. Remember, sorry, before I finish, during my by election now, all the also now I had several wars to fight. The 40 people of fraternity have regrouped against me, and they had to revenge. In Kisii, they were saying this boy is growing too fast, too soon. He must be contained. I said, thank God, I grew too fast and I made an impression when it lasted. I thank God. But the old folks, the senior politician in Kisii, thought I was growing too fast. They had also to work against me in terms of mantle of courage. That time it was sorry Naruto. I mean, and he was a minister for agriculture, and the assistant minister, and we used to work a lot of good things together. Scandal. The more president, I was your boy, but I was no Jamus to Mumu Grama, give it to Mango Musbari, Kamakonya P. Karana Moga said the mono. When you must
buy essential motion.
Kabisa. He do much Kamakonya. So I read another bono. You see, there's a clan war, there is a Kisii region supremacy war, there is a party war. But Nandigo nationally, Nandigo DM. They don't trust me too well because I was about a member. And I think as a Moguaria, I can have a petition I get successful. ODM did not want to give me a ticket. Actually, ya Makwere, ya Gachalaita, Pakatanga in Matuga, we have a candidate Manyoa. Nande ya Kitalaita. Inche natanga ndugu petition, nganyete, ngantura nyoromo candidate, and I'm national treasurer. Ngabatenga batinga, keep it. Keep it. Now you see, na konye na konye rudo lilia, taatagite. Iga tagetanga tuta sink.
Na nyota ya rudo na nangu kina ya ngeshinga kieje.
Kuna ngu kina renge, bwana ndaka na munchina makonye ya kina, bwana matonye bire. Lakini abasi ya sabere. So, you check it Jones P. I said it was number 2. Alright. ODM, now I was fighting ODM. Na nyacha nyumba. Nyacha kambwa, with Manson. Lakini ODM bado katika number 3. I actually felt nice.